Yes, speed through this.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Good morning. I am looking fairly rough today, but it's okay because I'm gonna fix my hair. I have already showered, but I'm gonna go eat and then I'm gonna maybe put on some whitening strips. And then I'm going to do my makeup. And then my friend's parents are gonna pick me up. Then we're gonna go to her house and then we're gonna leave. I asked my friends to pick out what I'm gonna wear, and so far it's a tie. See, originally I was gonna wear this dress that I got from Goodwill and I was gonna make it into a crop top, but my sewing machine broke. So right now, I'm trying to make an outfit with these pants. They're also from Goodwill. I'm probably gonna do the same look that I did for if it's uploaded and if I was actually not lazy enough to upload it, as the cut crease makeup look that I did. So I'm not going to really go in depth on what I'm doing. So this week, I'm gonna be so stressed. I have 2 college finals and then I have 2 Cambridge exams. One of them I don't really need to study for, the other one, it's math, so I should review some of the papers that we've been doing. And the same day I have my math Cambridge exam, I have my statistics final. That's gonna be great. So I went to a math competition yesterday because I am in math club. And I came to the competition not wearing any makeup, and by the end of the competition, I had a full face on. We were waiting for the next part of the competition, and we were just kind of standing by the door. Not really standing by the door, we were standing like in front of the doors. And I was like, you know what, this is some pretty good lighting. I'm gonna do my eyebrows right now. And so I did them as people were walking in and out of the corridor. Okay, I look crazy, but yeah, my chicken nuggets are definitely done. I'm gonna go eat. This doesn't look that appetizing, but that's what I'm eating. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna get picked up in about 15 minutes, probably less than that, so we gotta speed through this. I just need to like do my eyebrows and then I can bring everything else. I'm gonna pack up my stuff.
My hair is
Enjoy.
So I just got home. It's 2:50 and I'm really tired. It was really fun. I'll show you my OOTD because I ran out of time, so I didn't show you before. Here's my fit. I didn't wear the jacket with it and I was wearing my Adidas. I have a necklace, so I took the lace from my jacket and then I just tied it around, and it looks kind of weird, but it's okay. My hair is rough. I did it in the car and it was not a good time. But I had a good time. I almost forgot to show you guys what I got. It came in this bag, and I got the lanyard and also the long sleeve shirt. I got a large. It might have been a size too big. Yeah. I don't know if I could do something like this again because I'm really bad at handling loud places. It's not really my forte, but it was fun. It was really nice seeing NCT in person. Anyway, I'm gonna eat and then maybe sleep. I don't have to be at school until 12, so that's really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!